Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, nope, my door's not closed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emmeline and today we are going to be filming a Christmas makeup look. So as you guys can tell, I am home right now. I'm still trying to kind of work on the background. It is a little bit messy right now, so I'm sorry for that, but I just got home like 2 days ago or so. And I'm also filming this on my new camera. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. They gave me an early birthday present. Not birthday, it's Christmas. They gave me an early Christmas present. So I'm really thankful for that. So hopefully there will be no more blurriness in my videos because I have a viewfinder now. Alright, so I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to start getting on with this makeup look. So first I'm going to start with my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. I'm going to blend that with my beauty sponge. If I look off to the side, it is because I have a mirror. And then I'm just going to set that eye primer with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and this brush. I will also have all of the products that I used listed down below in the description box, so you guys can find them if you want to purchase any of these. This is not sponsored, by the way. And also, you do not need all of these products to recreate this makeup look. I'm going for a simple Christmas makeup look with golds and silvers and a classic reddish lip, but you do not need all of these products that I have. Use whatever you guys have in your collection. Use your favorite products. Switch up the colors if you want. I don't care. But this is just what I'm going for today. So now that that's all set, I'm going to be taking my Disney Designer Collection eyeshadow palette. It's a princess thing. I used this Giving Day makeup tutorial and I love all of the colors in it, and it has those silvers and gold tones that I want for this makeup look, so it works out perfectly. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit on my eye. So first I'm going to be going in with the color Chip and a fluffy blending brush. Going to take that all over the brush and start to blend it out in the crease. I'm just using windshield wiper motions in the crease and then kind of circling fast circular motions out in the outer corner. So now with that same brush, I'm going to be taking the color Triton, and I'm also going to blend that in the crease as well. I'm tapping off the excess, and we're going to start lightly blending that in the crease to start adding up some definition. I don't want to keep this look too warm, so I will be going in with a different color from a different palette in a second. Blend that very softly. I am barely touching the brush to my eyelid right now. Just a little bit up above the crease, kind of into the brow bone a little bit. So you can see that adds a lot more definition to this eye, and as opposed to just having a chip on this eye. Then I'm going to be taking my Naked Urban Decay Basics palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Naked 2. As you can see, this is my favorite color. I use this color whenever I do my everyday makeup. And I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blending brush, taking that on there, and I'm going to do the same exact thing I did with Triton. Gonna blend it into the crease so you can see that kind of really cooled down Triton, because I don't want this to be super warm. Whenever I think like Christmas and winter, I think very cool tones, but I do kind of like the warmness that Triton does give it. Blend it out into the outer corner, and we're not going to go up into the brow bone with this color. And now just to add a little bit more definition, I'm taking this eye crease brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to be taking the color Faint and I'm going to be tapping that in the shadow a few times, and I'm going to tilt the brush up and really blend it really on that crease just to add even more definition. Going back into the Princess palette, I am going to first take the color Ray on this Eco Tools eye shading brush, and we are going to apply Ray all over the lid. And I'm kind of patting and swiping this shadow wherever else, like pretty much where I didn't put any of that other shadow. And then I'm just wiping my brush off with this brush cleaner thingy majiggy. It just wipes off all the pigment from a brush. It doesn't actually cleanse your brush, but it helps if I want to use the same brush for a different eyeshadow, but I don't want the other eyeshadow I use. Then I'm going to take the color One Kiss from the palette, and I'm going to apply that kind of toward the outer and middle of the lid. Wiping the brush off again, I am going to blend it a little bit into One Kiss. Now I'm not going to wipe off my brush, I'm just going to take the back side where I didn't put Thingamabob on and go back into One Kiss and start kind of blending the two together. I'm going to go back into Thingamabob one more time. And then I'm just going to take the blending brush that I was using before and kind of blend out the eyeshadow. I'm actually going to go back into the Naked Basics palette and take Naked 2 on that brush and just blend it into the crease just so that color isn't completely lost. Just lightly going back and forth. So now I'm going to take this Luxie small shader brush and I'm going to take the Prince Charming and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and my inner corners. We're actually going to mix a little bit of Ray with that for the inner corner shade. So now that we got the eye look started, we got the eyeshadow on, I'm going to prime my skin with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer in the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. What a surprise!
It's not a surprise, you know what's coming.
Yeah, oh, I didn't know you were on your way. Hello. Andrew's here.
Can't see me.
Hi. Andrew's here.
Hey.
What's up?
How's it going?
Oh, good.
Yeah?
I zoomed in on my eye so you could see what was going on. And
Oh,
I
yeah?
filmed it.
Wow. It's crazy.
I know. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Porcelain.
What's that stuff?
Foundation.
Gross.
I just dot it all over my face. Blend it on my neck. Bye. He's going to go watch TV. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Master Camo by Face Studio corrector crayon in yellow, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, trying to avoid getting it onto the eyeshadow that we put down. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade, what shade is Fair Neutral, and I'm going to apply that under one eye at a time. Normally, if I didn't have my eyeshadow on, I would apply it also on the lids, but obviously I have eyeshadow on. I do one swipe there, one swipe here, and another one there. Then blending that in. Again, avoiding the eyeshadow that we put down. We're probably going to have to go in again with the inner corner shade, but that's okay, because we can always add more. One swipe there, one swipe here, one swipe there. Also going to take a little bit of that concealer, going to dot it on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, just to balance all of that concealer out so it's not so washed out under my eye, and blend it. And when I blend it on my nose, I blend it down and I really try and focus on just the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Smooth Operator setting powder. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the cap, and I'm going to put that on wherever I put that concealer. I take it with this little sponge. It's not wet or anything. It's dry. I apply it kind of like as a bake, because I do have oily skin. And then while I let that set and bake, I take my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe, and I just do my eyebrows. I really don't have a method to it. This is what works for me. And my eyebrows sometimes turn out good. Eyebrows are done. They turned out decent. And then I'm just going to take that same setting powder from before and just wipe away the bake. And then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush by Eco Tools and set the rest of my face wherever I put that foundation. Add a little bit of color to my face. I'm going to take home the bronzer by The Balm, and I'm going to take this Eco Tools blush brush because I forgot my bronzing brush at school. And I'm just going to lightly apply that around the edges of my face in that like 3E motion. Then I'm going to take the same blush brush and I'm going to take this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour blush in the shade Quirky. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. And I'm going to take this highlighter by Kaleido Cosmetics, I don't know if I'm saying that right, in the shade Prom Queen. This is actually a skin blush, but I like to use it as a highlighter because it is very sparkly. It's pretty goldy pink, and I'm taking this highlighter brush and I'm going to apply that to the high points of my face. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and setting spray and just apply that all over my face. Alright, now that that setting spray is pretty much dry on my face, we are all done with the face makeup. I'm going to take my Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in the color Pitch Black, and I'm going to attempt to make a wing on my upper lash line. We got little itty bitty wings, but they're kind of there, and that's what I wanted. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes. So now the final step is the red lip, so I'm going to take this little mini sample size liquid lipstick by Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply that to my lips. You know what, just for a little bit of funsies, because I really wanted to use this, I'm going to take the Ciate London Glitter Flip Liquid Lipstick and also put that on top. Ooh, I love that. So there you guys have it with the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. I post every Wednesday and I post every Friday. For the rest of December, you guys will be getting a Vlogmas video this Friday and next Wednesday, the day after Christmas. And after that, there will be different fun-filled videos coming this way. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Leave a comment down below letting me know what one thing you guys asked for Christmas was. Mine was this camera. I didn't think I was going to get it, but I did, so thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Feel free to follow me on social media. My Instagram and Twitter are both mline_rose_, and my Facebook page is mlineRoseYT. I will have those linked down below for you guys in the description box, so you guys can find them easily. And I will see you guys on Friday for the Vlogmas video. Bye!